When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements offer the perfect balance of style, functionality, and energy efficiency like slider windows. For Gilbert residents, these windows are more than just an attractive addition, they're a smart choice that transforms everyday living. If you're considering window replacement or looking to enhance the comfort of your home, slider windows might just be the solution you've been searching for. Effortless operation for daily comfort. One of the standout benefits of slider windows is their smooth, gliding functionality. Unlike traditional windows that require lifting or cranking, slider windows move horizontally on a track. This makes them incredibly easy to open and close, even for children or anyone with limited mobility. For homeowners in Gilbert, where fresh air is always welcome, this effortless design encourages more natural ventilation throughout the day. Maximized views and natural light. Arizona is known for its wide open skies and stunning sunsets, and slider windows let you take full advantage of that beauty. Their expansive glass panels create unobstructed views of your surroundings, whether it's your landscape backyard, mountain scenery, or a sunlit patio. Beyond the view, slider windows allow abundant natural light to pour into your home, brightening rooms and reducing your dependence on artificial lighting. Energy efficiency that makes a difference with Gilbert's hot summers. Energy-efficient windows are a must. Modern slider windows are designed with insulated glass, advanced sealing technology, and durable frames that minimize air leaks. This keeps cool air in during the summer and warm air in during the cooler months, helping to stabilize indoor temperatures. The result? Lower energy bills and a more comfortable home year-round. Space-saving convenient slider windows are an ideal option for areas where traditional windows might get in the way. Because they slide open instead of swinging outward or inward, they save valuable space both inside and outside your home. This makes them perfect for rooms facing walkways, patios, or landscaping where you don't want a window obstructing movement. Low maintenance durability. Busy homeowners appreciate that slider windows require very little upkeep. Thanks to their simple design with fewer mechanical parts, they're less prone to wear and tear compared to other window styles. Many slider windows also feature removable sashes, making it easy to clean both the interior and exterior glass from inside your home. That means more time enjoying Gilbert's sunshine and less time worrying about maintenance. Enhanced home value and style. Curb appeal is essential in a competitive real estate market, and slider windows deliver a sleek, modern look that complements nearly any home style. Their wide panes of glass create a contemporary feel while also enhancing the architectural design of your property. For Gilbert homeowners planning to sell in the future, installing slider windows is an investment that can boost both property value and buyer appeal. Perfect for Gilbert. Living life in Gilbert combines the warmth of a family-friendly community with the beauty of Arizona's desert climate. Slider windows align perfectly with this lifestyle by creating bright, airy interiors while offering practical solutions to combat heat and maximize views. Whether you're upgrading a single room or undertaking a full window replacement project, slider windows are a choice that truly enhances everyday living. Final thoughts. Slider windows aren't just about good looks, they deliver real, everyday benefits that Gilbert residents love. From effortless operation and stunning views to energy savings and low maintenance, these windows check every box for homeowners who want comfort, style, and practicality in one package. If you're ready to transform your home, consider investing in slider windows. You'll quickly discover why they've become a favorite across Gilbert.